Hi, welcome to AAmna's kitchen. This is Sonu, and this is the season of summer. And today we're gonna make mango banana lolly. Let's start. It's pretty much simple. You'll need about 4 teaspoons of sugar, 1 banana, and 1 mango. So let's just start. Okay, so there I have the blender jug, and I have a 1 glass of chilled water. Let's just make it quick. Let's just add the sugar and the mangoes. Now we are not adding bananas right here because we'll add up, but we are mixing the lollies. So let's just alright. Okay, let's just blend it and it off. Just there we go. It's done. Now let's just take this. Okay, let's just pour this in the molds. Let's just remove the caps from the molds. As you can see, it's really thick, so let's just be careful and add it. Now don't fill the molds to the top because when a liquid freezes it expands and that could make a problem. Leave some space for the ice to expand, and as you can see it has a little bit of small pieces of mangoes. This is actually good for the ice cream. There we go. Now let's just add the bananas to it. And there we go. Now let's just put the caps on. And that's all. Let's just let it settle down in the freezer for about 5 hours. Until then, I'm going to sleep. Okay, so it's been about 5 hours, and let's just take out our lovelies. Hey, what the? What the heck is this? Hey mom, where are the lollies? Oh, the kids have eaten all of these. It's only one. But I am not going to eat it because of the blessing of Allah. I'm having a fast right now, so I'll eat it in evening. Until this, let's just see how it is. There it is. It's really looking really good. And let's just put it in the freezer. So I'll eat it in the evening. And you should also try to make it, and if you like it, subscribe to our channel, and as always, thanks for watching.